In this tutorial, I'll show you how to promote Digistore affiliate program on Pinterest. Hi and welcome to this channel. If this is your first time on the channel, you are welcome. If you don't have Digistore24 account, I have a tutorial on my channel. I'll drop it in the description box. When you log in, click on the marketplace, but I have clicked it already. You have product categories, digital products, event seminars, physical, and the rest. But in this tutorial, we're gonna concentrate on digital products. When you click on the arrow, you have animals and pets, betting systems, business and investment, but I want something from e-business, so I have to scroll down and find something from e-business, internet marketing and e-business. I'll click on it. These are the products. Even you have ChatGPT, Bethels, Bible, whatever it is. This is basically about prompting and stuff like that. Look through and find whatever you want. Fitness, you can check out the product from fitness and else of this to reduce the numbers. You have all the fitness products here. I'll go back to e-business and also fitness and health. Try and find something. So let's say you want to promote this, click on promote. Then you're gonna have to copy the promo link from up here or down here. Also make sure you have affiliate support page, and as well you need to check the cancellation. If the cancellation is sometimes way above 10%, it's not good, but 4%, 4.44%, it's good. But in this tutorial, I want to promote. This is the product I want to promote, but the process I show you to get here is the same. You have to find the product that you are interested in. I have my affiliate link already, like I show you how to copy it. Once you have the product that you need to promote, I like this landing page, straight to the point, simple, like the headlines. This is targeting busy moms, nurses, single parents and teens, and I like how the call to action button is wobbling. It catches attention of your prospect or your potential customer. There is a timing. This product is good, and I like he has his image on it, which makes it legit. And you have your simple button here. Make sure you have terms, privacy policy, earning disclaimers in case you will be promoting this on Facebook. But believe me, you need to create a landing page or one page. I'll go to Pinterest. So if you don't have Pinterest business account, you can watch this tutorial. I'll drop the link in the description box. That's Pinterest business account. On Pinterest, you have pins. This is basically your landing page, and I'll show you how to create one. First, click on the Pinterest menu top left and create a pin. I'll use Canva to create the pin. Canva is a free graphic design platform. To create a pin, click the search button and type in Pinterest and enter. You need to check the product that you want to promote and see what the product is all about. This product is about passive income and is geared towards everybody. Also, you need to know the platform you want to promote this thing on. On Pinterest, majority of the people are women. Scroll through and find something that is good. I want to show you. Let's say you like this image. By the way, you have to use the free version. This one is free, because if you use this one, that's a pro, you have to pay. But in your case, use the free version. But I'll use this one to show you how it works. You click on it, then you're gonna customize this. You click customize this template. The good thing is, once you are here, even if you don't like this template, you have related templates here that you can use, but make sure it's free. Don't use the pro version. Like this one, for instance, is free. So if I don't like this, I can switch it off, something like that. But I'll go back, undo, double click, highlight, and type in whatever you want. Let's say passive income, then minimize it. To minimize, hover and squeeze it or expand. That's how you zoom in or out. Then to change the color, click on the text A, which is text color. To bold it, click on bold, italics here. Let's say I want to change the color to white. Scroll down and click white. If you have a color code, you have to click here and drop the code. That's how you work it out. You can move stuff. Let's say I don't want this here. I can delete it, delete this, and delete. And I can move this here, and I'll say, let's say 10,000. Then I'll minimize it. And most of the time, if you're trying to do something and it's not working, click outside the box quick and come back again. Then I can change this to white as well, like white. When you use the color, it pops up here. You can play with it, and you have a lot of elements that you can select. For instance, I wanna Control X. I don't want it to go away. Then I can change this to, let's say, black, or let's say red, because interest is basically red. Change this to red. Then I can minimize this. minimize it and push it like that, and Control V to drop the amount. Right, I Control X to copy. Passive income, just expand it more and make sure it's centered. Passive income 10,000 per month. I'll squeeze it and I'll squeeze it one more time. Squeeze it. Something simple like this. Then go to share, scroll down, then click download, then click download to download it. Basically, that's how you create your pin. But I'll use the one that I have created already. Let me hide this, and this whatever I'm doing will not affect the image, but I'm gonna make it big so you see. I'm gonna click share and download and make sure it's on PNG. If not, you can change it to whatever you want. Then downloaded it. I'll go back to Pinterest and click to upload. This is it, passive income. Click on it and then open. Bam, see, it looks nice. Title like you are creating a blog post, and believe it or not, this ranks on every search engine. You have to optimize it well. Click on the free. This is the title. I'll copy this, right click, copy, and go back here. Click here, drop it. Make over 10,000 plus every month in passive income. Then drop this here again, and I'll go back and details. I'll say the zero cost 3 step using. Alright, so I'll copy this, copy back, and I will add it here. I need to change it to small caps. Let's say this, for instance. There's one more thing I need to show you down here under the description, but first I'll drop my affiliate link, because like I showed you earlier on, you have to copy it, but this is not what I'm promoting, but I'm showing you. Come here and copy it, go back, you come back here, then you just drop your link. Some affiliate will tell you to shorten it. I used to do that too, but believe it or not, Pinterest frowns on this. Please don't worry, drop the direct affiliate link. They are okay with it, but what you need to do, drop affiliate disclosure here. I'll show you how. When you check under my videos, scroll down. As you can tell, under every video I have my affiliate disclosures. I'll copy, Ctrl C to copy, or right click to copy, then click here and enter. I like to add these characters, do it again, then I drop it. I'll take this off, affiliate disclosure, then I'll change this. Actually, I'll delete this pin. I've edited it. This pin contains an affiliate link. If you purchase an item via the links, via the link, I will earn a commission from the vendor with no extra cost to the original price. Once you have this, you don't have to worry at all. Then scroll down. You need to put it in a board. Boards are like categories or folders. So I click the arrow, and as you can tell, I have affiliate marketing for beginners. Here I take, but I'll try and check for something that I can drop this in. I'll drop it here, make money online, but let me see if there's some. Yeah, this is the right board. All right, but in case you don't have the right board, you have to click create board, then name it, then don't check this. When you check this, that means you don't want the public to see it. Let's say you are an agent or freelancer and you want to show this to your client first before you publish for them or something like that. But I'll click outside the box. When you are done, then you click on create. But if you want to promote, please don't check this. Let me choose my board. It's passive. Okay, here. Okay, so then I need to add tags. Passive income, make money online. Then what else? Let me check right here. Work from home, experience work from. I'll keep it like this and scroll down, publish at a later date. I don't want to publish at a later date. I want to publish, but in case you're gonna click on this and you have to click on your calendar and you have to schedule it, but I don't want that. I'll check it off and I want to publish it. Make sure everything is good, then click publish. View it. This is it. Nice and simple but powerful. Don't worry about followers and viewers and stuff like that. You are not doing it for fun. You want people to click on your affiliate link. And see, the reason why Pinterest want you to drop the direct affiliate link is because they want your potential customer to know exactly where he or she is going. When you check right here, it says Digistore24.com. They know this is taking them straight to Digistore24.com page or promo page or promotional page. This is all they want. Last but not least, click save. When you go to your home page, guess what? You have it here. Please be consistent. You can post one and expect to make money or to make a sale or something like that. You have to be consistent. Post in the morning, in the afternoon, and evening. This is the end of the tutorial. Thanks for your time. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.